Well, this is our first trip as well with the Moskos, and we were just thinking we're going to go for a spin again today, of course. And it's like so easy with this system. It's like boom, done. It's like 30 seconds. You can drop your bags. Just like that. And then away we go for the day. Without our luggage. Because we're coming back here again tonight, of course. I just gotta take the ends off. It's much easier with two ends, of course. One, two, boom, there we go. Ready for action. But you need to get my keys and take those off before we go.